These amazing anti-pollution illuminating eye masks are excellent to help regenerate and calm the area around the eye. It's perfect to help detoxify and protect against oxidative stresses we have every day from environmental stressors. It also helps to depuff and refresh the area around the eyes for brighter lower eyelids. The anti-pollution illuminating eye mask is really amazing to help shield against environmental stressors and urban pollutants. It also helps protect against infrared, UV, and blue light. It helps to reduce inflammation and repair signs of oxidative damage and stress. And it's incredibly hydrating as it boosts hydration with 5 different kinds of hyaluronic acid. How to use. The unopened eye mask can be placed in the refrigerator for about 5 or 10 minutes before use for a more intense cooling and soothing treatment. Gently apply the mask to the under eye area for 10 to 15 minutes. After the 15 minutes, remove and massage the remaining serum into the skin for maximum absorption. If you do not want the serum, you can again wash the face. This product can be used twice weekly.